जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 62nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Arjuna, Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization, getting out of the cycle of birth and death is your goal. As I already said, if you take my help, attaining your goal becomes very easy. How to take my help? You have to start thinking about me. You have to start listening to my stories. You have to start singing my glory. You have to start doing my seva. If you can engage yourself like this in my service, attaining your goal will become so easy. If not, if you think that you can do by yourself, and if you start your sadhana without taking my help, there is a danger. What is that danger? I am now disclosing you. Arjuna, your manas is a big storage of objects. Once your mind, manas, starts thinking about any object of this world, slowly the attachment develops with that object. Once the attachment is developed, your mind will be repeatedly thinking about that object. That becomes a desire. You will be wanting to get that object. And as it is natural that not all the desires are fulfilled to everyone, if your desire also not fulfilled, you will start finding the reason behind it. Once you found the reason, you will start developing anger, hatredness towards that reason. This is how you are slowly slipping off from thinking about Atma. And what happens next, I am going to tell you. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings to every one of us. While having these teachings running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Dhyayato Vishayan Pumsaha Sangasteshu Upajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat Krodhobhijayate. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Become my devotee. Do all your actions as my service. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least through one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day, at least through one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror-galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Suta Maharshi discoursing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, as long as Parikshit Narendra ruled the kingdom, Kali Purusha could not show his power upon his kingdom. As I said, the moment Krishna Paramatma left this earth, Kali entered and occupied this earth. Parikshit Narendra was enough capable to destroy Kali, but he did not do that. He did not show his hatredness also on Kali. You know why? Kali also has some very good qualities. In this Kali Yuga, whoever does Bhagavan Nama Sankirtanam, whoever does singing of Paramatma's glory, the results, the fruits they will reap immediately. That is what is the best quality of this Kali Yugam. Whoever does listens to the stories of Paramatma, they get the benefits of it immediately. That is what is Kali Yuga's quality. But whoever does papa karmas, whoever commits sin, they will not go through the consequence immediately. There will be a delay. This is how Kali Yuga has the quality. So Parikshit Narendra realized the quality of Kali Yugam. That is why he did not hate Kali. O Maharshis, Dhira Bhiruna, whoever has bravery, whoever has the discrimination power between right and wrong, Kali would not dare to go close to them. O Maharshis, but whoever is not alert, Kali will destroy them. Like this, Suta Maharshi telling all the Maharshis and also saying that, O Maharshis, you have asked me to tell you Vasudeva's stories, Srimannarayana's stories, because Parikshit Narendra's story is very much connected with Paramatma's story. I am now disclosing, I have disclosed you about Parikshit Narendra. O Maharshis, whoever wants to make sure the very purpose of their life is served, They have to listen Paramatma's stories. They have to enjoy Paramatma's stories. Like this, Suta Maharshi telling Saunaka and other Maharshis what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Naham Vande Tava Charanayoho Dvandvam Advandvahetoho Kumbhipakam Gurumapi Hare Narakannapanetum Ramya Rama Mrudutanulata Nandane Napirantum Bhave Bhave Hridaya Bhavane Bhavayeyam Bhavantam Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 62nd sloka. Dhyayato Vishayan Pumsaha Sangasteshu Vupajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat क्रोधोऽभिजायते ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.